Let's have some fun with math subtraction flashcard. 30 quick questions using numbers 1 to 30. Can you solve them all? Let's get started. What is 5 minus 2 equal to? Three. What is 12 minus 7 equal to? 5. What is 20 minus 10 equal to? 10. What is 18 minus 6 equal to? 12. What is 25 minus 15 equal to? 10. What is 9 minus 3 equal to? 6. What is 14 minus 5 equal to? 9. What is 30 minus 22 equal to? 8. What is 13 minus 4 equal to? 9. What is 11 minus 6 equal to? 5. What is 17 minus 8 equal to? 9. What is 22 minus 13 equal to? 9. What is 8 minus 2 equal to? 6. What is 27 minus 14 equal to? 13. What is 16 minus 9 equal to? 7. What is 10 minus 3 equal to? 7. What is 19 minus 11 equal to? 8. What is 23 minus 10 equal to? 13. What is 15 minus 5 equal to? 10. What is 21 minus 6 equal to? $15. What is 26 minus 17 equal to? $9. What is 28 minus 13 equal to? $15. What is 24 minus 16 equal to? $8. What is 7 minus 4 equal to? $3. What is 6 minus 1 equal to? $5. What is 29 minus 25 equal to? $4. What is 30 minus 21 equal to? $9. What is 12 minus 3 equal to? $9. What is 18 minus 9 equal to? $9. What is 20 minus 7 equal to? $13.